Alright, so the first software we're going to talk about is going to be Sculptris, which is a virtual sculpting software with a primary focus on the concept of modeling clay. It entered active development in early December 2009. Users can pull, push, pinch, and twist virtual clay. It is geared toward character sculpting and organic models. If you're new to the world of digital sculpting, Sculptris is the ideal ground on which to get started. If, on the other hand, you are an experienced CG artist, then you can use ZBrush, which is standard in the industry when it comes to creating details on characters and on other objects. It's easy to learn even for someone with no experience in digital art, yet robust enough for creating base models that can then refined in other applications such as ZBrush. 3D meshes can be imported into the program for further detailing, generating normal and displacement maps. In late July 2010, Sculptris inventor Thomas Peterson joined the Pixologic team, and they are the makers of ZBrush, who have taken over the Sculptris development. And he left Pixologic a while before March 2014. Number 2, Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software toolset used for creating animated films, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, interactive 3D applications, and video games. Blender's features include 3D modeling, UV unwrapping, texturing, raster graphics editing, rigging, and skinning, fluid and smoke simulations, practical simulations, and a lot more. Some of its features are support for a variety of geometric primitives, including polygonal mesh, fast subdivision surface modeling, internal render engine with scale line rendering, and indirect lighting. A path tracer render engine called Cycles, which can take advantage of the GPU for rendering. Integration with a number of external render engines through plugins. A particle system that includes support for particle-based air. Python scripting for tool creation and prototyping. Game logic, import and export from other formats, task automation, and custom tools. And also it has camera and object tracking tools. Number 3 is SketchUp. SketchUp is a computer-aided design solution best known for its ease of use. Using the application is as simple as drawing with a pen and paper. It utilizes the direct editing push and pull technology, which ensures users to get up to speed of generating the everyday items. Its user interface, on the other hand, imitates a dead simple UI, but it's well crafted to rival the most powerful CAD software around. Maneuvering around this program is pretty easy thanks to the highly customizable palettes. The program gives you the freedom to add, remove, or rearrange the palettes to appear to the way you want. Its large icon replaces the features list of most CAD software, thereby allowing the user to easily find the commands. Most of the features provided by the SketchUp are fundamentally focused on 3D designing. However, the program has features and tools that support 2D designing as well. This makes it an ideal application for beginners looking to plan, visualize, and communicate future construction projects. Number 4, Daz Studio, which is a software application developed and offered for free by Daz 3D. Daz Studio is a 3D scene creation and rendering application used to produce images as well as video. Renders can be done by leveraging either the 3D Light render engine or the Ira render engine, both of which ship for free along with Daz Studio, or with a variety of purchasable add-on render engine plugins for Daz Studio from various vendors and companies. Daz Studio also supports the import and export of various file formats for 3D objects and animation to allow for the use of 3D content within Daz Studio, as well as to get content out of Daz Studio for use in other 3D applications. Daz Studio is available for free, but registration is required. Version 1 was released in fall 2005, and on February 2012, Daz 3D Incorporation announced it would be giving away Daz Studio Pro for free. In 2017, Daz 3D also began offering Hexagon and Daz Studio together for free, thus adding 3D modeling capabilities to the Daz Studio offering. Number 5, Wings 3D, which is a free and open source subdivision modeler. It was named after the winged edge data structure it uses intentionally to store coordinates and adjacency data, and it is commonly referred to by its users simply as wings. Wings 3D can be used to model and texture low and mid-range polygon models. Wings does not support animation and has only basic OpenGL rendering facilities, although it can export external rendering software such as PovRay and GAFRay. Wings 3D is often used in a combination with other software, whereby models made in Wings are exported to applications more specialized in rendering and animation such as Blender or 3ds Max. Number 6, K3D, and it is a free modeling and animation software. It combines flexible plugins with a visualization pipeline architecture, making K3D a versatile tool. 3D features procedural and parametric workflows. Properties can be adjusted interactively and results appear immediately. K3D operates on all the big operating systems, and of course it is for free. Number 7, Fusion 360. It is a CAD program that is free for students, makers, and small companies. It comes with a very powerful CAM suite. Fusion is very powerful when it comes to creating complicated mechanical pieces, and it is very hard to create mechanical and its industrial designs in 3D commercial applications like 3ds Max or Maya. So compared to Fusion, I wonder why they don't integrate some of its features in 3ds Max or Maya, because it's gonna make things a lot easier in these applications. Fusion tools are easy to use and it has a fast and efficient workflow. Fusion 360 is important because it's a utility software tool that can do everything in one place. You can create 3D designs, collaborate, manage data, create toolpaths, run simulations to validate your designs. And it has a low competitive price. In fact, for hobbyists and enthusiasts, it is for free. Number 8, BricsCAD Shape. Shape is a new Windows CAD program from Bricsys that is meant for 3D modeling. Its inspiration was SketchUp from Trimble, and its purpose is to do conceptual design for input to BricsCAD BIM software. However, for students, casual users, and architects doing pre-design, it stands alone. Like its competitors, BricsCAD Shape attempts to make it easy for designers to generate their ideas in 3D, offering a library of common architectural components and materials alongside straightforward shape generation tools. Number 9, Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a free online collection of software tools that help people to create simple 3D models in a simple and fast manner. And it was founded by Kai Beckman and Mikko Monen in 2011. It brought the first browser-based 3D design platform to the masses. Tinkercad is the largest community of 3D design and 3D printing enthusiasts of its kind, and its uniqueness has so far attracted over 7 million users. In June 2013, Tinkercad became a part of Autodesk's family of apps. This news came shortly after the announcement of Tinkercad's shutdown by previous owners. Active community of Tinkerers has created over 50 million of designs since the beginning of Tinkercad. Finally, number 10, Mendel 3D. Mendel 3D is a free software application created for 3D fractal imaging, developed by Jess and a group of Fractal Forums contributors, based on Daniel White and Paul Millander's Mendel 3D work. Mendel 3D formulates dozens of non-linear equations into an amazing range of fractal objects. The 3D rendering environment includes lighting, color, specularity, depth of field, shadow, and the glow effects, allowing the user fine control over the imaging effects. Mendel 3D has a lot of devoted users worldwide, with one-line communities on DeviantArt and Facebook, where artists share their creations as well as fractal formulas and software tips. The software is more user-friendly than most 3D fractal applications, and a number of tutorials are available online. So that was it for this video. We discussed 10 of the best, probably the best free software, 3D software in the market out there for free. So if you want one of these, probably you can check them out. And if you like this video, please give it a like and maybe share it around. And I will see you in the next one.